Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This little packet holds a memory that is so dear to me from whenever I was a little girl. I want to thank, she'll probably never ever see this, but my mom was telling me that one of my dad's friends, ex-co-workers, when they used to work together, she had gifted me and my sister Polly Pockets from Pollyville. I want to say Polly Pocketville. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. My sister has had she's got the strawberry little house. And I had what you call the dress shop. Are you okay? Give me just 1 second. So this is a used Polly Pocket. I did order it offline, off of eBay. I don't know what condition it is in. This is my first, like, what is it called? Let me think of the word. Yes, first impressions. I'm so sorry. I drew a blank. I have not had breakfast yet. I've been looking and looking for like the progression of when it's coming, when it's gonna arrive, and it's finally here. I don't know how I'm gonna react to this. I'm super stoked, but I also want to have like a little bit of lower expectations due to the fact that it is a used Polly Pocket. During the time that I lost my Polly Pocket as a little girl, we were in the process of moving. My dad handed over the keys to the new homeowners, and after that, who knows what happened to it. But here now, I'm sorry I've blabbered on. I'm ready to open this baby, and I want you to experience this with me because it means a hell of a big deal to me. So let's do this. Oh my, okay. So she has I guess this person has a little shop of, I'll try to insert it. And it looks like she sent me this little Polly Pocket connect the dots kind of. Yeah. Okay, so that focus. Moving on. Oh my god. I don't know. I feel like I'm shaking. Oh my god, you guys. Look how cute. Look how cute this is. Oh. Paul's already saying mine. Oh my god. Let's open her up. Oh, I'm scared to break her. Hang on. Okay, so that was a little bit hard to open. It almost felt like it was sticky. But she's... Oh, and she's propped open. Shh, Paul. So here she is in all her glory. She needs a little cleaning, not too bad. I've got a story about this little guy here. And I've got the little dolls in here. And their little wardrobes. I'm guessing this is like the checkout counter, like the register maybe. I don't know, guys, it's been so long. And then their little stairs, which, like I said, she needs some cleaning. She's got a little bit of dirt and whatnot, but she'll be cleaned up and she'll be ready to go. Oh, is this another register up here? Oh, this is so cute. All right, so anyways, long story short, whenever I was a little girl, I would get major anxiety for our little dolls because sometimes I would put them in through here and I was like, oh no, they're gonna die because they're gonna fall off the roof and die. So I would get really anxious for them, and then whenever it was closed, oh, You hear that? I'm gonna have to figure out why it's doing that. But anyways, sometimes I would forcefully try to fit my little doll through this little gap behind the bench and in between the tree. And I remember I just kind of had a hard time. And I would definitely put my little Polly Pocket in this rotating doors. There we go, it's shut. I'm sorry, this is just not focusing the best. Let me clean it. Better? Awesome. Okay, so anyways, I would put them through this little door. Oh, let me show y'all her card, because now it's gonna focus on this side, like that. So this is where I got it from. Her little card is so cute. It's adorable. All right, but yes, and I would carry my, I probably shouldn't have done it, but I carried my Polly Pocket like this, and I'm surprised the heart didn't break, but she is so cute. So cute. I've been looking for my Polly Pocket for several years, and I finally have one. I'm gonna clean her up, make her look super pretty, but this is her. I feel like my life is complete. I'm 28 years old, and I'm still in love with this toy. I sound delusional. Anyways, guys, yeah. Okay. Let's set her in here. Oh man, this is harder when you're an adult. Maybe I set her in here like this. Crap. It's kind of hard. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, she's in there. She's face down. Hang on. Okay, never mind. She popped out. They should have called these pop-out pockets because she is not staying in there. Alright. Look at her. She's like going into the store. And then gonna open her up, and now she's upside down. Interesting. So now she's in the store. She's maybe gonna go try out some clothes upstairs. She's gonna sit in this little chair right here. Look how adorable. Paul really wants to play with it, but I'm scared here. So I'm not gonna let him play with it. This is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, and this is where she hangs up her dresses. Ooh, she can go see herself in the mirror. Let's go down the stairs. Right here. My fat fingers. Ugh, my fingers are too fat. Oh no, she's fallen. She's gonna have to sue the store now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video of me unboxing a used Polly Pocket that is now mine to keep, mine forever. I'm 28 years old, who knows how often I'll play with it, but I honestly feel like I'm reconnected to my long lost childhood toy. I'm really happy. So thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. I hope y'all continue on watching the other videos that I post in the future, and until next time,